Slide. The first point is literary sources. Literary sources are the information sources reviewed to create a report or a writing assignment in a written format which describe the nature of the society of ancient times. There are a large number of Indian scholars, authors, historians who have penned down the event as they unfolded in the era. So, why are literary sources important for reconstructing the past? Literature holds a mirror to the society that beliefs, custom, behavior, etc. of a particular historical period are reflected directly or indirectly in the literary world. For an example, like fiction, drama, and poetry, etc. We will study how Britishers established their rule in India and took control over all the territory, revenue, and resources of our country. They formed Indians to sell their goods at low prices and also made them produce the crops they needed. So again, next question arises, how we know about all the happenings and their periods and time. Past has been accumulated over time through various medium. It excludes specialized learning that can only be obtained with extensive training and information confined to a single medium. It is an essential component of crystallized intelligence, which is strongly associated with the openness to experience. Next point is official record. Official record of the British administration serve as an important source of history of this period. The British ruler believed that every construction or the instruction, plan, policies, agreement, dealing should be clearly written up. The record of Portuguese during the 17th and 18th century are the data which is received in the written forms which describe the nature of the society of ancient time. For an example, as with the whale cities, the example of written literature appear to have originated in ancient Mesopotamia. The British felt that to preserve all the important documents in the record room, with all administrative institutions starting from the Tehsildar office up to provincial secretariat, for an example like the archives and the museum.